गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम टेट आर्ट्स 2020 का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। एक पार्ट मैंने ऑलरेडी बना लिया है जिसमें मैंने सोशल साइंस और जीके सेक्शन कवर किया है। आज इस वीडियो में मैं इंग्लिश और साइकोलॉजी सेक्शन कवर करूँगी। सेक्शन 2 इंग्लिश, क्वेश्चन 31 to 35। आपको यहाँ डायरेक्शंस दी हैं। चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन ऑफ इनडायरेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ स्पीच। दे सेड वी हैव लिव्ड हेयर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। नरेशन सॉल्व करने से पहले मैं आपको कुछ एक ट्रिक्स बताऊंगी जो आपको अपने माइंड में ध्यान में रखनी है नरेशन करते हुए। एक तो आपको नरेशन जब भी बनानी होती है आपको पास्ट टेंस में बनानी होती है, और कुछ एक वर्ड्स होते हैं आप उनको चेंज करने पड़ते हैं वो वर्ड्स, जैसे कि हेयर का देयर बनता है दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज, टुडे, दैट डे, लास्ट नाइट, द प्रीवियस नाइट, नाउ, देन, विल, वुड। सिर्फ आप इन चीज़ों को क्वेश्चन आंसर में जो है वो देख सकते हो और फिर आप उनको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो। तो इस क्वेश्चन में देखो, दे सेड वी हैव लिव्ड हेयर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि हेयर जो है यहाँ पे इसको हम डायरेक्ट चेंज करेंगे किसमें, देयर में, राइट। तो आप ऑप्शंस देखो, किन दो ऑप्शन में जो है वो देयर आ रहा है। ए ऑप्शन में भी देयर आ रहा है, डी ऑप्शन में भी देयर आ रहा है। और एक और ट्रिक मैंने आपको दूसरी ये बताई है कि जब हम नरेशन बनाते हैं तो हमें जो है वो पास्ट टेंस में बनानी होती है, राइट। तो देखो, अगर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे देयर तो है, लेकिन जो है यहाँ पे है, हैव जो है वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में आता है, तो ए तो नहीं होगा करेक्ट आंसर। तो करेक्ट आंसर इसका होगा डी। दे सेड दे हैव लिव्ड देयर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। He said to me, you are getting lazy day by day. A, he told me that I was getting lazy day by day. She said, you need not wait. C, she told me not to wait. Are you alone, my son? Asked a soft voice close behind me. B, a soft voice behind me asked if I was alone. He said to me, do you need money? D, he asked me if I needed money. Question 36 to 40. Choose the correct meaning of idiom or phrases. From hand to mouth. C, to survive without saving. A white elephant. D, a costly but useless thing. To flog a dead horse. A, to revive interest in a subject which is out of date. Between the devil and the deep sea. Be in a dilemma. Through thick and thin. A, under all conditions. Question 41 to 45. Choose the most appropriate option. The building was so old and dilapidated that it was not dash. D, habitable. The building was so old and dilapidated that it was not habitable. Because of the heavy rain, the match was be called off. Because of the heavy rain, the match was called off. The government has agreed to pay compensation dash damaged crops, land and cattle. A, for. The government has agreed to pay compensation for damaged crops, land and cattle. Zarian health official said that 93 people have died dash the Ebola virus so far? C. From. Zairian health officials said that 93 people have died from the Ebola virus so far. She dash speak 3 languages when she was 12. D. Could. She could speak 3 languages when she was 12. Question 46 to 49. Select the synonyms. Abundant. B. Plentiful. Demise. C. Death. Solitude. B. Aloneless. Facile. D. Simplicit. Question 50 to 53. Choose the word which is most opposite. Ambiguity. C. Clarity. Hamper. A. Assist. Lavish. B. Meager. Hapeless. D. Fortunate. Question 54 to 57. Find words which have the same meaning. One who eats human flesh. C. Cannibal. अगर यहाँ पे वन हु ईट फ्लैश फिर आंसर कार्निवोरस होता, बट लेकिन यहाँ पे ह्यूमन फ्लैश होता बोला है, तो सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, कैनिबल. Printed notice of somebody's death. C. Obituary. A drawing on transparent paper. D. Transparency. A small named group of fixed stars. D. Constellation. Question 58 to 60. Choose the correct interrogative form of sentence from the given option. Everybody knows the owl. B. Who does not know the owl? He is too weak to walk. B. Is he not too weak to walk? It was foolish of him to behave like that. A. Wasn't it foolish of him to behave like that? Section 1. Psychology. Costume, clothing, lifestyle, food, religion, language, custom, etc. are which type of determinants of personality? B. Cultural. बट साइकोलॉजी के कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं जहाँ पे ऑप्शंस जो है वो आपको एक दो सही लगते हैं, बट लेकिन करेक्ट जो है वो हमें जो हमारा बोर्ड आंसर की देगा उसी को ही हमें वो सुटेबल मानना पड़ता है. ठीक है, तो शायद इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर बी होगा. हु गेव द कंसेप्ट ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस क्वेश्चन्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन 1912? डी. Stern. Why the socialization of boys and girls are different? C. Because of different expectations of role in the society. The development of a languages is the outcome of the social interaction of human being. Who gave this statement? A. Vygotsky. Vygotsky. Learning process involves D. All above. Interaction of a person with the environment, continuity, modification in behavior. Gestalt means A. As a whole. The psychological method of individual study of a child is C. Case study. Name the main components of personality according to Fayard. D. All of these. ID, ego, superego. According to Thorndike theory, the important law of learning is D. All of them. Law of readiness, law of exercise, law of effect. By whom was the theory of operant conditioning put forward? A. Skinner. Who propounded the insight theory of learning? A. Kohler. Development is a process. B. Continuation. The intelligence quotient of a child is 150. That child will be called C. Genius. The child learns to have control over her emotions through games. Out of the following development, which one is most appropriate? C. Emotional development. Who is the founder of laws of learning? C. Thorndike. Storage is a process of memory. B. Second. According to Piaget, at what stage child begins the logical and abstract thinking? D. Formal operational stage. Which of the following is the most strong medium of group project activity? B. To promote the feeling of unity in diversity. Sorry. How many types of child rearing practices are there? C. 4. A child is born with a system to learn a language. Who gave this statement? A. Noam Chomsky. What is the direction of meaning assumption in deductive reasoning? A. From general to particular. In which stage the development of morality regarding adopting the social norms, traditions and value can be seen in a child? B. Conventional level. According to the classification of personality of Jung, under which category do the person having lonely, timid, idealist and self-centered nature fall? A. Introvert. Growth and development are C. Filler to each other. The process by which the wanted response in a man is encouraged on the basis of enforcement is known as de-reinforcement. How many variables are there in a psychological experiment? B. 3. Which gland is known as master gland? D. Pituitary. In how many parts Maslow has divided the 5 needs of human being in 1954? B. 3. Name the process by which the present experience of the world is known. B. Perception. When a person is making efforts to achieve his goal but his primary trial fail in achieving his goal, then it produces a illusion. अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, काइंडली शेयर एंड लाइक. थैंक यू.